Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel we are going to study about what is exactly biodiversity. So biodiversity is nothing but we can say biodiversity is the richness of living organism in nature due to presence of variety of organisms. So that is nothing but we can say biodiversity. Now let us see the concept. There are three various levels of biodiversity, that is we can say genetic diversity, species diversity and ecosystem diversity. So, biodiversity is typically a measure of variation at the genetic, species, and ecosystem level. Maybe terrestrial biodiversity is usually greater near to the equator region. Biodiversity is the richness of living organism in nature due to presence of varieties of organisms we can say. So all this is about the concept we can say biodiversity. Next one, that is the diagram it is being shown. The various biodiversity means we can say the different types of living organism, plants, animals, aquatic animals, all the living nature, whatever the trees, plants are there, small insects, each and everything it is coming in biodiversity we can say. So this is all about the diagram we can say about biodiversity. Next one, types of biodiversity. Now there are the three levels of biodiversity, that is the genetic diversity, species diversity and ecosystem diversity we can say. So let us see one by one. What is first of all genetic diversity? Genetic diversity means occurrence of diversity among the organism of same species is genetic diversity. So genetic diversity is the total number of genetic characteristics in the genetic makeup of species. It is distinguished from genetic variability, which describes the tendency of genetic characteristics. Means from this we can come to understand what is the genetic characteristics of each and every living organisms. Genetic diversity serve as a way of population to adapt changing environment is overall concept of genetic diversity. So here the diagram it is being shown. The genetic diversity means we can see variety of seeds are there which are having the different colors we can say, that is maybe different variety of seeds are present. Various technologies are being used to make the variety of seeds by artificial technology we can say. So it is a genetic variation we can see in these seeds. So that is the genetic diversity it is being shown. Next one, that is a species diversity, second one. Species means what we can say innumerable species of organism occur in nature. So that is nothing but we can say species diversity. It is defined as the number of different species present in ecosystem and relative abundance of each of those species. Diversity is the greatest when all the species present are equally abundant in the area we can say. So species diversity include types of plants, animals and microbes and other living organisms. A variation in species, that all comes in species diversity. Here the diagram here shown that species diversity may be small insects we can say, butterflies, small types of plants, aquatic plants and other insects. Different varieties are there of the different types of variations in the animals, features, plants, flowers, each and everything. So that is the species diversity we can say. Last one, that is the ecosystem diversity. Now ecosystem diversity basically it is a ecosystem are present in each region. Ecosystem is formed through interaction between plants, animals and their habitats we can say, changes in the environment. Ecosystem diversity deals with variation in ecosystem within a geographical location and its overall impact on human existence and the environment. Ecosystem diversity is a type of a biodiversity. It is the variation in the ecosystem found in a region or the variation in ecosystem we can say on the planet. So this was all about we can say ecosystem diversity. So the diagram basically we can come to understand ecosystem diversity. We can see all the things it is coming, we can say animals, plants, microbes, a biotic factor, all these are including in the ecosystem. So ecosystem is it is all about we can say the variety, thousands of varieties are there in the biodiversity we can say in the nature. So this